Archaeologists have discovered a huge ancient city hidden underground in Mexico, which may give a better understanding of the Maya civilization.
The team found almost 7,000 buildings in an area of the jungle about the size of Edinburgh.
In 2022, a team of archaeologists embarked on a groundbreaking expedition in the dense jungles of Guatemala, a region renowned for its Mayan ruins. What they uncovered was nothing short of awe-inspiring. Buried beneath layers of earth and vegetation, they found an untouched Mayan tomb that had been hidden for over 1,700 years. Inside, the team discovered treasures that seemed almost beyond belief: a shimmering jade mosaic mask, intricately carved human bones, and a collection of rare artifacts, each revealing the grandeur of an ancient civilization. These remarkable discoveries pointed to the tomb of a high-ranking Mayan priest or ruler named Wty, who lived around 350 CE. What made this discovery even more extraordinary was the use of cutting-edge technology, LiDAR, light detection and ranging, which enabled the team to peer beneath the dense jungle canopy. This technology not only helped them locate the tomb, but also revealed looters' tunnels that had come tantalizingly close to disturbing the site. The artifacts found within the tomb, like the exquisite jade mask, offered unprecedented insight into Mayan religious practices and the political world of the time, revealing connections between Wty and powerful cities like Tikal and Teotihuacan. This find wasn't just about the treasures themselves, it was like opening a time capsule that unlocked a world of rituals, royal lineage, and cultural sophistication that had been lost for centuries. In February 1939, French archaeologist Pierre Montet made a monumental discovery in the heart of Egypt's Nile Delta at the ancient city of Tanis. His excavation unearthed a tomb so well preserved that it stunned archaeologists and historians alike. This was the final resting place of Pharaoh Suzenzai, a ruler of Egypt's 21st dynasty, and the discovery was among the most significant of the 20th century. The tomb had remained untouched for over 3,000 years, a rarity in Egyptian archaeology. The most striking artifact found inside was the pharaoh's sarcophagus, a solid silver coffin, something so rare that it captured the imagination of the world. Silver in ancient Egypt was even more precious than gold, as it had to be imported from distant lands. Alongside the sarcophagus, Montet's team uncovered a treasure trove of gold jewelry, amulets, and other ceremonial items that revealed the wealth and status of the pharaoh. The most famous discovery, however, was the beautifully crafted golden funerary mask, inlaid with lapis lazuli and colored glass. This tomb offered an unparalleled look into a less documented era of Egyptian history and provided valuable insight into the artistry, craftsmanship, and religious beliefs that defined this period. In December 2018, a discovery in Egypt's Saqqara necropolis took the archaeological world by storm. Led by Egyptologist Mustafa Waziri, a team of archaeologists unearthed the tomb of High Priest Wati, dating back an astonishing 4,400 years to the 5th dynasty of Egypt. This tomb, unlike many others from ancient Egypt, was vibrantly preserved, with intricate carvings and paintings still vivid on the walls. The artwork depicted Wati's life in great detail, his role as a high-ranking priest, his family life with his wife and children, and his connection to the daily workings of the ancient world. Some of the most captivating scenes showed Wati engaging in everyday activities like boat building, food preparation, and musical performances. It was as though the walls of the tomb told the story of Wati's life as a visual diary. But the excitement didn't end there. The tomb contained 5 shafts, one of which had already been opened and found empty. However, the remaining 4 were sealed for thousands of years, leading archaeologists to speculate about what treasures or artifacts might lie hidden inside. The tomb's preservation provided an extraordinary connection to life during Egypt's 5th dynasty, a time often overshadowed in history. Perhaps no archaeological discovery is as iconic as the unearthing of Tutankhamun's tomb in November 1922. British archaeologist Howard Carter, funded by his determined patron Lord Carnarvon, made one of the most celebrated and thrilling discoveries in history in the Valley of the Kings. After years of searching, Carter's team discovered a staircase carved into the rocky ground that led to a sealed doorway marked with royal seals, hinting at something monumental inside. When the door was finally opened, Carter peered inside by candlelight and famously told Lord Carnarvon, "Yes, wonderful things." And indeed, the tomb was filled with treasures beyond imagination: gilded furniture, golden statues, chests brimming with jewelry, and even chariots, each item meant to accompany the young king into the afterlife. Among the most celebrated finds was the golden funerary mask, inlaid with lapis lazuli and colored glass, which has become a symbol of ancient Egypt's splendor. Tutankhamun's tomb was one of the most well-preserved ever discovered, providing a unique glimpse into the world of ancient Egyptian royalty, their art, culture, and religious practices. With over 5,000 artifacts found inside, the tomb of Tutankhamun continues to fascinate the world and remains one of the greatest archaeological finds in history. In 1987, a remarkable discovery was made in northern Peru that would forever change our understanding of pre-Columbian civilizations in South America. Archaeologist Dr. Walter Alva uncovered the tomb of the Lord of Saipan, a ruler from the ancient Moche civilization. The tomb, found in the archaeological site of Huaca Rajada, was nearly intact and filled with an astonishing wealth of treasures. The Lord, believed to be between 35 and 45 years old at the time of his death, was buried with a wealth of items that spoke to his elite status. The treasures included gold and silver ornaments, copper objects, ceramic vessels, and intricate jewelry, each a testament to the remarkable artistry of the Moche people. Notable among the finds were a headdress, chest plates, and necklaces adorned with peanuts, a symbol of life and fertility. The tomb wasn't just the resting place of the Lord, it also contained burials of attendants and other individuals, including warriors, a child, and even a dog, perhaps all sacrificed to serve the Lord in the afterlife. The discovery shed light on Moche society, their religious beliefs, and their complex burial rituals. Today, the Royal Tombs of Saipan Museum in Lambayeque showcases these treasures, allowing the world to marvel at the legacy of the Moche civilization. The mystery of Cleopatra's final resting place continues to captivate archaeologists and historians. For nearly 2 decades, Dominican archaeologist Kathleen Martinez has dedicated herself to uncovering the tomb of Egypt's last queen, Cleopatra VII. The most compelling theory she pursues is that Cleopatra and her lover, Mark Antony, were buried together in a hidden tomb beneath the Temple of Taposiris Magna, located near Alexandria. Excavations at the site have already yielded tantalizing finds, including coins bearing Cleopatra's face, statues of Isis and Osiris, and mummies suggesting high-ranking individuals were buried nearby. In 2022, Martinez and her team made a remarkable discovery, a 1,300-meter-long tunnel buried deep underground, its geometric precision suggesting it was constructed for an important purpose. Could this be a clue leading to Cleopatra's tomb? The hunt for the Queen's resting place is ongoing, and while no definitive proof has yet been found, each new discovery brings us closer to solving one of history's greatest mysteries. In 1974, a seemingly ordinary event in China turned into one of the most extraordinary archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. While digging for water in the fields near the ancient city of Elevanon, farmers stumbled upon something that would astonish the world.